Hey everybody, it's Annie. Quick little studio tour. I'm packing up, getting ready to go to the Grove Gallery in Nebraska City tomorrow. But I wanted to show you I'm working on a commission. This is an abstract landscape. It's about half done. I'm doing for my daughter. And then my messy studio. Oh, that's a coloring puzzle I have at Vermont Christmas. But over here on my art table, I've got some canvas started. Oh, here's the bumblebee painting. I'm giving this away tomorrow. Isn't that to die for? I love the gold. The gold sides. Oh, there you can see the shine. And I'm going to take a couple little paintings just because they're new for people to see. They're going to be at the gallery. This is a pet portrait for a sample. It's also in an artist book about the best acrylic artists. It's coming out in May, which I'm really excited about. And I'm going to take some frogs just to give away. They jump. I'm getting ready to paint. So I'm going to take supplies. I'm going to take. Here's a painting demo I'm going to do. And I think, sorry, back up a little bit. I think I'm going to paint a ladybug on this one. The tulip on that one. Check out my business card holder. It's like a monster. It has my business cards in it. Isn't that fun? And then I've got over here, the coasters are ready to go to give away, and I have the giveaway sign-up sheet and just some sheets to hand out. So come on down to the Grove Gallery. Hope to see you noon to 4 tomorrow, Saturday, April 20th. Bye.